Hey everyone, just a real quick video. I said in some of my other videos I'm getting set up to do powder coating. Well, I'm finally set up. Run air. There's a connection downstairs where the air compressor is to get me air up here. My homemade sandblasting box, as I showed in another video. I'm using Harbor Freight, the powder coating system that they sell. I added my own regulator on the end. I used a spray bottle with denatured alcohol for wiping down all of my parts before I powder them. I built myself literally a box. I ran a piece of stainless steel tubing through it so I can connect my ground on the outside to keep it from getting all covered in powder. I also purchased just a 2.5 gallon shop vac from Harbor Freight, and when I'm done powdering I just vacuum out the box. It's good to go. And an old kitchen oven. Most of you know, but once you do bake in an oven, you cannot cook food in it ever again. Typically, while I'm doing the actual powdering or sandblasting, I just turn my oven on to get it preheated. I have all the powders that Harbor Freight supplies, which is 4: a matte black, a white, yellow, and red. I've done it once. I've used the red. I powder coated a wrench, and for the first time it came out great. So I'm pretty excited to get some better colors, a better variety, and start doing some really cool stuff. I will show you that wrench. This is the wrench I powder coated. I didn't have to sandblast it. It was already raw. It wasn't anodized or anything like that, so I got to skip that step. I wiped it down real good with denatured alcohol. No grease, no fingerprints. You know, you don't want to touch your stuff with your hands. But for the first time, it came out real well. I already have learned a lot, little things I need to do differently, but the powder held on well. It's very durable. Looks pretty good. So hopefully I'll have more stuff like this in the future. I'll have more videos. Everybody please rate and subscribe.